Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be talking about the important declaration, and the this can be applied to the specific declarations instead of the full rules. It will override any style no matter how specific it is. As a result, it should almost never be used. So once the ex explanation point important is used, it is very hard to override. The syntax of this looks like this. So you have the paragraph, the regular paragraph, you set the color to blue, you have the exclamation point important. This is going to override this entire one because this is more specific, as we've learned in the previous videos. This is more specific than just a regular type declaration right here. So this is going to override this one. So the text of the paragraph is going to become blue. So since the important is used on the paragraph selector's color attribute, all paragraph elements will appear blue, even though there's a more specific parent and child relationship selector that sets the color to be red right here. So one justification for using the important is when working with multiple style sheets. For example, if we're using the Bootstrap CSS framework and we want to override the styles for one specific HTML element, we can use the important property. Imagine the style library.css is a style sheet that is full of good styles, but you don't like how it's turning out the color of the H1 yellow. In the style.css, add an important rule to the color style inside of the H1 that changes the color back to white. So the important, and we just remove this, and there you go, it's going to be white again. So again, almost never use this, but it is useful to know. And that's gonna do it here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.